thing is being at peace with yourself so that you can not be afraid and you can show up to anybody, any situation. So here's some tools you can do. You can close your eyes and just take 3 deep breaths. You can inhale acceptance. That's all I got to do. And then exhale, let it go. You could just pick 2 words that are simple. You're not trying to change anything, because when you try to change, fight or resist, you get all worked up and it usually increases the things around you. Don't try to look at it as how you can let people stop bothering you. It's how you can be content and peace so it just melts off, because we can never control the environment. We can only control ourselves. So I hope that helps you breathe. Maybe take some space, however that means to you. It doesn't have to be a big deal, like 30 seconds, a minute, just change your space. You can dance, put your one song on, right? Because it'll change your physiology. It will change your mood. People are going to be people. And as much as I wish I could control and change them, we can't, right? We can't. The more you practice this and the more you lighten up, trust, your environment will reflect your peace.